wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best flagpoles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Don't sweat the installation with the US Flag Store 20-foot residential, which comes with everything you'll need, including a ground sleeve and 5 tubing sections, and requires no crane or expert assistance for setup. It's tapered as well from 3 inches down to 2. It includes a nylon flag with embroidered stars and a gold anodized top ornament, but the instructions may be missing. At number 6, you'll get something that stands out with the evergreen flag estate pole, thanks to the stylish black star that adorns its top. From the beginning of the year to the end, you can use it to fly the stars and stripes or display large house flags or banners. It could be used in a truck bed and suits rustic decor well. However, the paint finish isn't long-lasting. Coming in at number 5 on our list. Whether you're setting up an event at your workplace or you just want to show off your patriotic spirit, the online store's indoor oak is an elegant display option. At 8 feet tall and made from straight grain hardwoods, it'll lend an air of importance to your affairs. It feels sturdy and weighs nearly 4 pounds, and includes a screw-together brass joint, but it doesn't include a stand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for flagpoles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Grace Alley tangle-free spinning is rust-resistant, designed to withstand heavy gusts, and strong enough to hold up flags that are 5 feet by 3 feet, no matter whether they're grommeted or sleeved. Its free spinning action helps protect your banner from damage too. It's made from brushed aluminum and is easy to remove from a bracket. You can choose between silver and white. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're tired of telescoping models that simply won't stay up, then you'll probably appreciate the ezpole Flagpoles Liberty Kit, since it features the company's no-drop posi lock that'll keep each section in place. You'll also get a 3-foot by 5-foot Old Glory. A taller size is also available, and it can fly 2 flags. It provides for total rotation. At number 2, the Evergreen Safe Extendable comes with a pair of anti-slip clips that ensure your banner will stay in place at all times. It's painted in a sleek and classic black color that looks great no matter the design of your ensign. It's made of a weather-resistant iron and also available in silver and bronze. The length is easily adjustable. And taking the top spot on our list, the No Tangle Star-Spangled Flag 6-foot is designed to support just about any kind of flag you can get your hands on. Its hard-wearing aluminum is lightweight yet tough, giving it the strength it needs to take on various types of weather. It features a sophisticated gold sphere topper and comes in tasteful packaging. It's great value at its budget price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for flagpoles, or simply click beneath this video.